All right, today we're going to build your founder's roadmap. We've sifted through all the best advice out there and boiled it down into a simple step-by-step guide for launching a profitable service business you can start on a shoestring budget. So let's dive right in. I mean, that's the dream for so many of us, right? To actually call our own shots, build something you can be proud of, but without needing a mountain of cash just to get off the ground. Well, what if I told you it's way more achievable than you probably think? We're talking about a massive business opportunity. These are ventures that you can start with pocket change, but they can scale to incredible heights. The barrier to entry is super low, but the profit ceiling, it's sky high. So here's the game plan. First, we'll look at the opportunity itself. Then we'll figure out how to choose the right path for you. After that, we're going to walk through a 5-phase startup playbook, get a little dose of reality with a trade tier list, and then we'll finish with a single most important first move you need to make. Let's be clear. Right now, we're smack in the middle of a blue collar boom. If you're a hardworking person, this is a golden age for grabbing your own financial independence. Demand is there, the money is there, the path to get started is clearer than it's ever been. Let's put up some real numbers to make this tangible. $50 to $100 per hour. That's a typical rate for a pressure washing business. You can start with just one machine and a truck, and right out of the gate, you've got an earning potential that gives a lot of fancy office jobs a serious run for their money. So we know the opportunity is massive, but that leads to the first and maybe the biggest decision you've got to make. What business are you actually going to start? The experts really point to two very distinct, very smart strategies. Do you jump into a proven hustle where the demand is already huge and you just need to carve out your piece of the pie? Or do you go hunting for a niche gap? A service that people are definitely looking for, but hardly anyone is offering. Both are fantastic strategies. They're classics. Businesses like pressure washing, junk removal, car detailing have constant, proven demand. People will always need these things done, which means you have a built-in customer base from day one. It's just a great way to get started. And if you think these are small-time side gigs, check out this number, 7 million. That is what a single junk removal business started from scratch is pulling in each year in gross revenue. It just goes to show you these so-called simple hustles have an absolutely insane capacity to scale. All right, now let's flip the coin and look at those niche gaps. How many companies do you know that specialize in senior fall proofing or just mattress cleaning? The search volume for these services is surprisingly high, but the competition is super low. This is your shot to become the go-to expert in a market that's basically wide open because there's demand, it's super niche, but there's nobody else doing it. All right, so you've got an idea brewing. Now what? We've taken an incredibly detailed 36-point checklist from an expert, Adam Zwingler, and we boiled it down to 5 clear, totally manageable phases to get you launched. So here it is. Phase 1, laying the foundation. This is where you make it real. You incorporate your business and get an EIN, your business's tax ID. Phase 2, get your finances right. Super important. Open a separate business bank account and credit card from day one to keep everything clean. Phase 3, building your brand. Build a simple, professional looking website and get a logo. Phase 4 is all about generating leads, which is why we built Mighty Sites. For just $9 a month, you can build a simple, professional website to help drive leads for your small business. I'm going to put the link down to it below. It's the easiest, fastest, most affordable way to get a simple professional website up. If you're a local business owner, do yourself a favor, check it out for free down below. Also, the thing that pairs well with your Mighty Sites website is a powerful tool called your free Google Business Profile. That's where you get reviews, add photos, and it helps you rank better on Google Maps results as you optimize it. And finally, phase 5 is the finalizing details. This is where you get things like standard work agreements to protect yourself and your customers, and you fill all those things out, set them all up so you're ready to go. If you follow this, you've got a repeatable plan for success. Before you jump in head first, you need a quick reality check because listen, money is important, but it's not everything. Choosing a trade isn't just a financial decision, it's a lifestyle choice. So let's look at a framework for comparing different jobs that goes beyond just the paycheck. See, there's a coolness factor, a perception, and a very real physical side to every single trade. And believe me, that stuff matters. It affects your day-to-day happiness and how you feel about the work you do. So let's break this down. You've got an electrician and a plumber making pretty similar money with a good lifestyle, but the body impact and that coolness factor are totally different. Then you look at a heavy equipment operator. Okay, maybe a little less pay on average, but check out that lifestyle. Cushy, low impact on your body, and an S tier coolness factor. Low impact on your body. So you've got to ask yourself, what's the right mix of money, lifestyle, coolness factor for you? We've covered a ton of ground. The huge opportunity, the different paths you can take, the step-by-step playbook, even a reality check. But there's one last thing, one absolutely crucial piece of advice that pulls this all together and could be the difference between success and failure. And here it is. This might be the most important thing you hear today. Let your first customer finance your business. Don't go out and drop $1,000 on a bunch of new tools you think you'll need. Instead, go out and sell that first job. You get a 50% deposit from that customer and then use that money to buy the gear you actually need. It's an absolute game changer, and it's how you launch with almost zero financial risk. Now you've got the roadmap, you've got the different strategies, you have a step-by-step playbook, you have a link down below to an easy-to-use website for just $9 a month. All the knowledge you need to get started is right here. So the only question left is, what are you going to do about it? Let us know in the comments below what type of business you're planning to start. We'll catch you in the next video.